Today I'll be showing you guys how to get 250 myclubpoints. So basically, there's an achievement in here somewhere that says if you link your Konami data, you get 250 myclubpoints. Obviously, I've already completed that because I've been playing for years, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it for the new players, of course. So first, you'd go into extras, support, link data. After reaching link data, you're going to see something that says if you link your data, you can transfer your account and play on a different device using your current data. Just press OK. And then depending on what you have, you just link your data using Game Center or link your data using Konami ID. But to get this, I think you have to link the data using Konami ID. Nope. Press link data using Konami ID. So you'd come here, press register email address and password as new user. But if you already have an account, you could use users who registered their email address with another Konami app. And depending on which one you want, you press link the data. It's going to say data transfer failed for me because I already have it linked and I didn't complete anything. Go back to Clubhouse achievements. Go back to where you see the Konami ID link. And there, where you see complete, you would see collect or 250. So you just press it, collect, and then you'd be 250 myclubpoints richer. I hope this video helped. Leave a like and subscribe and comment which video I should do next. Thank you.